So here we have our Ram rear underseat compressor mount. Works for 1500 Classic, 2500, 3500 HD, from 2010 to so far 2023. I have a compressor. I have a pressure control valve. I also have my airbags. Pressure control runs to both sides for 4-tire fill. The system is controlled by the ARB links. Yes, forgive the wiring. We're still figuring it all out, wiring wise, where they're going to go, how they're going to route. It all gets controlled from up front. There's plenty of room. Air filter relocation kit also goes up in the back to get fresh, cool air instead of recycling the hot air being blown around by the fan in the back.